In this video, I will explain you the motorized curtain synchronization. So one is P1. You need to press P1 and the motor will rotate forward and backward. And once it's moved forward backward, then you need to test from the remote. So first button is open, second is pause, and the third one is close. So you can see the movement of the motor, and again you can check how it is working, like if it is getting paused, if it is getting open, or if it is getting closed. So now I'm going to explain you the channel system. So you need to press P2 and then the second channel would be visible on the remote. Then you can pair on the second by simply going with the P1 button and then 3 and P2, and then the third channel came. Similarly, if you want to generate fourth channel, so you need to press again. So basically this is a 6 channel remote, so 6 channels would be visible